Today I'm going to attempt to fit the red engine stop start button. There's lots of ways on the internet of doing it with dental floss. However, I tried this, I couldn't manage to do it. There's these little lugs underneath, 3 of them, and it just didn't work for me, so I'm going to try. There's 2 other ways. One with a heat gun, and hopefully that will seat on there dry and then be able to pull off. And if not, I've got a nuclear option, which is this fast curing epoxy compound with a 2-part compound, and it sets hard in 30 minutes. Just a little bit on there, and that hopefully will pull it off. I think it's duct seal effectively, so we'll give it a go. Well, that should have cured. Let's see if it pulls off. Yes, look at that. No broken clips. I didn't have to use the duct seal. That's just hot glue. Now the easy bit. Gonna fit the red button. Just make sure it lines up. And push it into place. There we have it. Didn't have to use duct seal. Tried using dental floss, didn't work very well. In the end, the hot glue gun was supreme. Come off of here, no problem at all. When it's yep, there you go. You just get rid of the residue, it just comes off. So that's absolutely fine if I want to refit it. Hot glue gun worked really well. This didn't work for me, and I didn't actually get a chance to use this. I know that a lot of people use the duct seal, which is 2-part, but it's pretty strong stuff. I'm actually quite glad I didn't need to use this. Fun bit.